Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you the 2022 Jayco Jay Flight 224 BHW. Check this one out. If you find this video informative or beneficial at all, feel free to like and subscribe right now, okay? You got corrugated metal on both sides over here, which is a really nice look. You also got your pass-through storage here. It goes all the way through, pretty spacious. These do have manual jacks as well. It's also got this, check out that awning, really nice. It almost covers the entire rig, which is really nice. More importantly, it's got the outdoor kitchen. And in this outdoor kitchen, it does have a sink, as well as some places for storage and a refrigerator. So if you wanted to barbecue out here, you totally can. Super fun. And you also got the sink out there, so that's awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of the rig here. So this one's got no slides, guys, but it's actually a really nice space for having no slides. You got a nice mattress here. You also got your wardrobe closets on both sides over here, as well as some overhead storage that you can use as well. This one does come equipped with solar already on it, so that's a very good thing. Your batteries will never go dead, essentially. You also got this nice TV on the side over here, which is already mounted. Usually you don't see that all the time. You also have this dinette right here, and actually pretty nice size for having no slide. And it's got that big window, so while you're playing cards, while you're having dinner, you can actually just be hanging out and watching the kids outside playing and whatnot. Okay, really nice. You also got some chance for storage underneath and above you right here as well, in both of these different cabinets, which is super nice and convenient. You also got more chances over here as well. So you got that nice adjustable shelving. Actually, that's not adjustable shelving, just kidding. It's a nice storage right there and on the bottom as well. So manipulate the space how you want it to be. Right over here, you got your kitchen essentials, okay? Nice countertop, double sink, stainless steel. You also have some storage on the top and the bottom as well. More of your kitchen essentials. You got the 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as the oven. And the microwave right here as well. Really nice. Nice size refrigerator. This is the bigger refrigerator. It's the 8 cubic foot refrigerator, which is really nice. You can grab more groceries for those extended camping trips that you're planning. You also have the bunks here. These are the oversized ones. They're not necessarily the very small and slim ones. Nice mattresses as well. And it does have those privacy curtains just right here and on the windows too, if you're just, you know, needing some privacy. And this is the moneymaker, guys. In something this small, and especially with no slides, the shower is oversized. Like, here, let's go. Like, look at this. It's probably the biggest shower, and honestly, I don't feel super crammed. Like, I can, you know, stretch my elbows. And it's got the skylight too, so if you're a taller person, you could totally do that as well. And the toilet is angled on the side, right? So for me, I'm a big guy. I like to be able to sit down and, you know, go to the bathroom in peace and not have to be knocking anything, okay? So, guys, if you like this coach, I think it's a really great one, okay? Nice bunkhouse for fam. If you wanted to take this camping, feel free to give me a call, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle. Like and subscribe, and happy camping.